Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Windows unnecessary services boost up PC. So before you do that, you must have create restore point. So you can use it, type in create restore point. Once you open it, click on create, type any name you want and click create it. It will create restore point for you. Once you create it, close it, type run, type service MSC, click OK. But first thing you need to do is the disable activates installer. Actually, if you don't use the Internet Explorer anymore, so you often use Firefox and Google Chrome, so we can click on properties, set the start as a disabled and click apply. But what if it's running? You can right click stop. The next thing is the bin locker drive encryption service. Okay, click on properties, set time disabled, click OK. Actually, you need to click apply. The next thing is connected user experience. You can right click it, click on properties, set the start times are disabled. Okay, click apply. You can always click OK instead of apply. Okay, there is any other method I need to show you. Type msconfig, it will pop up the app. Click on boot, set no GI boot on. Let's set the timeout to 10 seconds for low-end PC, but actually my medium PC is set to 5 seconds. Can boot it up. Into the service tab, play hide all Microsoft services. You can disable any app meaningless you want. Okay, it will run you smooth on your PC. The next thing is, what about boot tab advanced option numbers or processes, I mean CPU, set it to max, click on OK and hit it. Apply if you have a low-end PC or high-end PC. If you have an unnecessary service running in the PC background, this will definitely slow up the computer and you will never get a good performance out of your computer. Whether it's a brand new or an old computer, unnecessary services take a lot of resources and make your PC slow. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.